Good morning, student. How are you? Now I am going to start your linear graph chapter 17. Chapter 17. I have completed in my video the lessons means profit loss and percentage, profit loss and discount, simple and compounding interest, and direct and indirect variation. Now you see that the linear graph. In this chapter, see that first word is coming coordinate. 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 What is the coordinate? Suppose that you are going to see the movies in the mall. Okay, you are showing your tickets. The watchman saying that he say that okay, first row 10th seat or 10th row 12th seat. Why he saying that? Because that formation according to row A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Suppose your number is H 12 means A, B, C, D. Like that, H 12 seat you can see. Similarly here, see the horizontal line is known as x-axis, vertical line known as y-axis. See this angle is 90 degree. X-axis known as abscissa, y-axis known as ordinate. The location of a point according along x-axis and y-axis known as coordinate. What I say? The location of a point along x-axis and y-axis, abscissa and ordinate known as coordinate. Means suppose that coordinate can be written in a small bracket x and y. X value, y value. Now this is two-dimensional figure. In three-dimensional figure, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is called 3D in three-dimensional figure. This is 2D, two-dimensional figure. In this chapter, we have to study about two-dimensional figure. See that the point where x-axis and y-axis intersect, this point is called origin. Origin. And coordinate of origin is 0, 0. See that this is value of x. Here x value will be positive. This value will be negative. This is area of y-axis. Here y value is also positive, and here y value will be negative. Close in small bracket. This point is called origin coordinate is 0 and 0, means x value 0 and y value 0. This is called first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This one third quadrant. This one fourth quadrant. Always. It's always called second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Now question is that point A is given 2, 3, B 2 minus 3, C minus 2 minus 3 d minus 2 minus 3 e 0 3 f 2 2 0 g minus 2 0 0 minus 3. Question is that in which quadrant these points lie or belongs and plot out the graph. See that plus plus x value is plus y value is plus. It means this belongs to first quadrant. First plus minus x value is plus y value is minus. X belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus plus x value is minus y value is plus. This belongs to second quadrant. Minus minus x value minus y value minus. This belongs to third quadrant. x0 y3. I am going to plot this point in helium stone. So you write this one on your clear copy, and question is that plot the following points on the graph copy. Also write in which quadrant these points belong. Okay. Question you may plot these points on the graph copy. For this chapter you need graph copy. Okay. Graph copy. Also write in which quadrant these points belong. Okay, I am going to plot this point. See, in your graph copy here given like that way: 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 like that. This is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So you consider the point here 1. Okay, like that way. Don't consider middle one. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. See. Point A. X value 2, y value is 3. This is the point A. X value 2, y value minus 3. X value 2, y value minus 3. This is a point B. See, minus 2, x value minus 2, x value 3. X value minus 2, y value 3. This is a point C. Minus 2, minus 3. X value minus 2, y value minus 3. This is a point D. E. X value 0, y value 3. X value 0, 0 and y value minus 3. This is a point E. In which quadrant point E lie? Means point E lie on y-axis. Point E lie on y-axis. F 2 0. X value 2, y value 0. This lie on x-axis. Minus 2 0. Minus 2 y value 0, g. This lie on x axis. 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 at this point lie on y axis. So this is location of the coordinate or points, and in which quadrant it's lie, that I have done here. Okay. Now see your exercise question. You have to write this one on your fair copy. Okay. Now exercise 17.1. Exercise 17.1. Question is that, first question, plot the following point on graph paper. You have to plot these points on the graph paper. Second question, in which quadrant do the following points lie? You have to write the name of quadrant. Like first 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. Just I have explained here. It's lie on fourth quadrant. You have to write it belongs to fourth quadrant. Third, on what axis do the following points lie? Same question. Me 0 minus 0 3, 0 3, x value 0, y value 3. It's lie on y axis. Y axis. It's lie. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Given plot point A, B and C, what kinds of figure ABC? Find the area. Okay. First to plot the graph. X-axis, Y-axis. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. On graph one. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Point A is given 3, 0. A is given 3, 0. X value is 3, Y value 0. This is the point A. B is given 0, 6. 0, 6. B is given 0, 6. X value 0, Y value is 6. X is 0, Y value is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't change like that. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit along X axis and Y axis. Your scale will be there. This is point B. C is given minus 3, 0. C is given minus 3, 0. X value minus 3, Y value 0. C. Join this point. A, B, C. What kinds of figure A, B, C? Triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. Now question is that find its area. Area of triangle, area is equal to calculation you do in that page. Okay, graph on graph copy, graph page and calculation in fair means ruled page you have to do it. Area 1 by 2 base into height. Now see that 1 by 2 base. 3 centimeter this side, 3 centimeter this side. 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter. Height already given 6 centimeter. 6. 2 2, 3, 6 means that is 18 unit square or 18 square unit. That will be area of this figure. You have to write this one on your paper, okay, and you have to make it on the graph copy. Next question is that question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Plot a rectangle which is lie in the second quadrant, has origin as one vertices, is 6 unit along the x-axis and 6 unit along y-axis. Find the coordinate of the vertices. See that. Plot a rectangle x and y, x-axis and y-axis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y-axis. Question is given. Plot a rectangle which is lie in second quadrant. Lie in second quadrant. Has origin is as one vertices. Origin is x of one vertices. Its coordinate is 0 and 0. Is 6 unit along the x-axis and 6 unit along the y-axis. 6 unit along the x-axis, 6 unit and y-axis. Now this is the point. Suppose this point A, B, C and D. Now coordinate of A will be 0, 0 because it's lie at origin. B, x value 0, y value 6. C, x value 6, y value 6. X value 6, y value 6. D, x value 6, y value 0. Name the figure. Suppose that. Name the figure. Question given rectangle, but this figure is a square. A, B, C, D is square. Square. If asking area, it means side square. 6 square, that will be 36 is unit square. If asking a perimeter, 4 into one side. This is your question number 5. Only 5 question is given in this chapter. Now I am moving towards 17.2 and 17.3 together. Okay. First you log this this one on your fair copy, and by next video you will find the solution of 17.2 and 17.3. Thank you. Have a nice day.